Hello students, how are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Creator, and I also hope you are enjoying your classes, especially English class, staying at home, and I also hope that you are cautious and careful about COVID-19 because if you fail to be cautious, you may be attacked by coronavirus and you may suffer a lot. So try to stay at home, try to maintain your hygienic condition and try to be safe. Okay. At the same time, try to pay attention about your learning, especially English learning, because if you fail to learn English, your future will be dark. Try to realize the point. If you fail to learn English, your future life will be dark. And because if you don't learn English, you won't be competed or you will fail to compete with another candidate. So, you will fail to get a job, you will also fail to do better. If you want to run a business, you will fail to run an international business. So, everywhere you will be loser. So, try to learn English properly. For that purpose, we have completed a lot of grammatical items. For that, to continue that purpose, we have reached the last portion of our completing sentence. And if you listen my previous classes, I think you have a clear idea about completing sentence, and one or two classes, within all or two classes, we will try to finish our completing sentence, and the last one or two classes must be about practices. We these two classes I will try to make you practice completing sentence, and through practices the structures that have not been discussed will be discussed. Understand? That means through practices we will learn another structures of the completing sentence. When the structures that have not discussed, I will try to discuss when the structure has come. Understand? Okay, students. Today I will discuss about board questions and especially Joshua boards, and the year is 200, 19 and 219. Understand? That means the last exam. Understand? That means 219. Okay, Joshua board. Students, look at the board. We cannot buy a car. If, that means it's a structure of conditional sentence, and I discussed about conditional sentence. And as if stays in the middle, I discussed. If when if starts at middle, you will start reading from here. If you cannot buy a car, this is the clue. We cannot buy a car. So, as subordinate conjunction if present, so you don't have any option to write down the sentence using a phrase because a conjunction stays. So you have to choose a clause and finding if and that portion we cannot buy a car. So the structure is if plus present plus present. This is the structure. So the answer is, if you want to write down a clause, you have to choose at first a subject. What subject? Subject come from the first portion. So the answer is we. We cannot buy a car if we don't have enough money. The answer is, if we don't have enough money, if we don't have enough money, we cannot buy a car. The structure is if, present and present. This is present and this is also present. If, present, present. It may be called can. If, present, can, could, may, might. In this structure, we may follow the sentences. So, the answer is, if we don't have enough money, we cannot buy a car. The next sentence is, it costs a lot of money. So, it costs a lot of money means you don't have enough money. This is the answer. Understand? If you write down sentence in this sense, the answer is also right. If we aren't rich, understand? If we aren't rich, we cannot buy a car. It's also answer. Understand? Now, you are now very helpless. Call me whenever. Look at the board, students. You are now very helpless. Understand? Call me whenever. It's an imperative sentence, and whenever is a conjunction. What type of conjunction? Subordinate conjunction. So it's a complex sentence. So you don't have any option to write down the answer using a phrase. You have to write down the answer using a clause. Understand? So, the sense, what is the sense of the sentence? You are now very helpless. Understand? Helpless means distressed person, ashohai. Understand? You are now very helpless. So, call me whenever. means the crying. Whenever, so the sense comes here, call me. You you are now helpless. So the helpless person is now saying, sorry, you are now helpless. So I am saying the helpless person. I am saying the helpless person. What is my saying? What is my statement? The statement is call me. আমাকে ডেকো whenever যে মুহূর্তে তোমার what যে মুহূর্তে তোমার প্রয়োজন. So call me whenever you need. Call me whenever you need. Understand? So you need is a clause. So our requirement has been fulfilled. Call me whenever you need. আমাকে ডেকো যে মুহূর্তে তোমার প্রয়োজন. This is the completing sentence. Call me whenever you need. See, the man was so wicked. Look at the board, students. The man was so weak that. So the structure is so dot dot that. The structure is so plus dot dot plus that plus and food. This is the structure. So what portion has been given in the question? The portion is that the man is so. Dot dot means adjective. The structure is so weak that she should consult with a doctor. This is the another sentence. The sentence has been finished. You have to fulfill that portion. So it's also a what type of sentence? It's a complex sentence because coordinate conjunction that present. Understand? Coordinate conjunction that present. So it's a complex sentence and you have to write down another clause, not phrase, as it's a complex sentence. So the man was so weak that. So what happened when a man is so weak? His activity is not fulfilled. His disability has come. Understand? His disability has come. So we have to write down the sentence that criteria, fulfilling that criteria. The man was so weak that the man is the subject. So second portion you don't have write the man. You have to use the pronoun of the man, and you know the pronoun of the man is he. So the subjects come from here he. The tense is past form. So you must write down the tense in past form. So he could not. So with that he could not work or move, that type of word. So weak The relative answer is he could not walk. সে হাঁটতে পারে না। Or she could not move. সে সঞ্চালন করতে পারে না। This is the answer. So the next question is he should consult with a doctor. As a result, he should consult. পরামর্শ করা উচিত with a doctor. একজন ডক্টরের সাথে। Now B. Since it was raining heavily, we should consult. Sorry, we stayed at home. We stayed at home. So look at the board. Since it was raining heavily, it's a first portion, and you know since is a conjunction, and what type of conjunction? For subordinate conjunction. Subordinate conjunction is since. So it's a complex sentence. So you have to complete the sentence using a clause, not a phrase, because it's a complex sentence. Remember, it's a complex sentence. If the sentence is simple, then you should complete the complete question using a phrase. But when it's a complex sentence, you have no option to write down the answer using a phrase. You have to write down the answer using a clause. Since it was raining heavily, it was. The tense is what? The tense is past form. So you must write down the sentence in past form. Since it was raining heavily, we stayed at home. So subject from where? If you take from it, it's not correct. The related matter is we. From rain, the related matter is we. We stayed at home. So here subject comes from here. We. Since it was raining heavily, we couldn't go out. আমরা বাইরে বেরোতে পেরেছিলাম না। We stayed at home. আমাদেরকে আমরা বাড়ি থেকেছিলাম। This is the answer. So the all sentences are related. Since it was raining heavily, first portion, we could not go out. আমরা বাইরে যেতে পেরেছিলাম না। As a result কি? We stayed at home. আমাদেরকে বাড়ি থাকতে হয়েছিল। So it's a full completing sense. It has completed a full complete sense. So the answer is fully correct. Okay, student, look at the board. Though he was dull-headed, it's a U. Dull hearing. Though it's a conjunction. And what type of conjunction? Subordinate conjunction. And it's a what type of sentence? Complex sentence and contrast sentence. I discussed a lot about this contrast sentence in my previous classes. So try to understand. Though he is dull-headed, hearing. যদিও তার আছে মন্দ শোনার ক্ষমতা, হিয়ারিং পাওয়ার। ডাল হিয়ারিং, মন্দ শোনার ক্ষমতা। So, as it's a contrast sentence, so the opposite sense must be positive because first portion is negative. Dull hearing, negative sense. So, the another portion must be positive sense. And what will be the answer? Though he is dull hearing, he can make a good result. So here he should have some good qualities. So what is going to be? Subject verb comes here. He is attentive. In his study. Though he is dull hearing, he is attentive in his study or studies. Attentive in his study or studies. As a result, he can make good result. This is the complete sense. So, the answer is fully correct. Understand? Danger comes. Comes when So we have to be careful in your life. Danger comes when ... So we have to be careful in your life. So what type of sentence is it? It's a complex sentence because subordinate conjunction when stays in the sentence. So danger comes when কখন বিপদ আসে we should be careful. তাহলে danger comes when যখন আমরা বিপদকে ভয় পাই অথবা যখন আমরা অসচেতন হই, কেয়ারফুল না হই। যখন আমরা কেয়ারফুল না হই তখন বিপদ আসে। This is the sense. So the answer is danger comes when we are not careful. This is the sense. Danger comes when we are not careful. যখন আমরা কেয়ারফুল হই না বিপদ তখন আসে। So we should be careful in your life. So look at the blackboard. We can use this word careful here. So we have only put we are not. We have make a sentence collecting the word from here. We are not careful. Danger comes when we are not careful. When I was a child, you have to complete the sentence. Cricket. Though I was a child, I have fond of playing cricket. So we can borrow words from last sentence. I have fond of playing cricket. When I was a child. The sense is যখন আমি শিশু ছিলাম তখন আমি ক্রিকেট খেলতাম কারণ I was I sorry have না I was I was fond of playing cricket. আমি ক্রিকেট খেলা আমার খুব পছন্দের ছিল. So that's middle portion. When I was a child, I অভ্যস্ত থাকা ইংলিশ হলো ইউএস used to. I used to play cricket. Look at the board, students. After used to, V on always put. This is the structure. When I was a child, I used to play cricket. So, because I was fond of playing cricket. As a result, I used to play cricket. In this sense, so students, we have completing sentence Joshua 202 and 209 and through my example or through my practice I make you understand that the completing sentence is not a difficult item. It's a very easy item. You should have know the structure of the sentence and you should have know the sense of the sentence. And if you are able to know remember the structure of the sentence and the sense of the sentence, I think you will be able to complete the sentence. Next class, I will try to practice another board item. Okay, students, try to stay at home and be careful about your health, and I wish you good health. Thank you very much.